Hey, welcome back. Today we're looking at a tongue and groove sliding gate. This complete gate is made from aluminium, tongue and groove, so it's a very solid gate. This particular gate has a 100 by 50 frame with automation and of course is installed inside a set of pillars. This gate is set flat on a track, on a 16mm track, and as you can see on the front there it has a steel cord rack on the front of the gate which connects to the motor. So this gate we can install with automation. We can adjust different settings for the automation, the amount of time that it takes to automatically close, and also we can adjust the speed and the wind down speed. So this motor that we have here is the Alpha. It's a very sturdy motor. It has a DC motor, which means that we're able to program the motor, not like some other motors that run on AC. Very sturdy motor. This one is actually installed with safety beams, which you can see right here and on this side. And of course when you walk across the safety beam, the gate will automatically close. You need to have these on every single gate, because if you don't and you have a small child or a car coming through, you can of course get hit by the gate. So safety beams is a very good option. This particular gate goes back on a concrete strip. This one is 150 mils thick. It's very sturdy depending on what sort of cars or travel you're going to have over it. We like to do them at least 100 mils, and they also have a steel D12 rods running through the middle of them. They have to be set at the bottom, and as you can see there's this screw down track which gets put down with these concrete anchors. Very sturdy. Also we have this wireless keypad, which is a very good keypad and can last for at least 10 years on the batteries you have there, so you don't have to worry about changing those. But it's very easy. Just pop the cover off and put a couple of new batteries. This particular gate is fairly high spec because it has this rub rail at top. It's a 5mm aluminium powder coated rub rail. The reason for this is so that the rollers don't actually rub on the gate. So if you are going to be getting a gate, make sure you have the rub rail. Some gate frames, some of the less expensive gates don't have that, but you can also ask it as an option. Very important. Worst thing that can happen is that you come back in about 2 years time and the powder coating has actually worn off the gate. This one has actually got a very good powder coating on it, so you necessarily wouldn't need the rub rail, but the customer's gone for it at this option. So this is a very fast motor. You see a lot of gates, you need to ask if you're going to be buying a gate how fast the motor is. This is a very fast motor, and of course you don't want to be sitting around outside waiting for the gate to open. So right now this is set to 15 seconds, so we can set it to anything you want. If you're worried about people coming in behind you, you can set it to 5 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, whatever you want. This particular one's set to 15 seconds. There's a few other options that come with these. We can also install ground loop detectors, which means that you can, when you're driving out, you can just drive over it and it will open the gate. Saves you having to get the remote out. But yeah, it's a very good gate. If you're interested in something like this, give us a call. We're experts in installing these gates. We can give you a fixed price, and we can also give you a confirmed date on start, which a lot of people don't. We can pretty much get that right within 1 week. If you're interested, check us out at strongfencing.co.nz. Thanks, and we'll talk to you soon.